Excel has a very interesting function. It is called as today. This today prints the today's date. So let's say if I want to know what is today's date, I can write today, press enter. So it is giving me 30th March 2020. So that is the today's date. There is another function in Excel which is called as eDate. It returns the serial number of the date, that is indicated number of months before or after the start date. So eDate will give you a date before or after a start date. So let's say suppose our start date is, and I want, let's say after today, 5 months after today, what will be the date? So I will say eDate, this is the start date, and I want 5 months after today, what will be the date? So note that it is coming in now a number format, because this is general is mentioned. So what we can do is we can change the format and we can say long date, and we double click here. So I know that after 5 months from today it will be August 30th, and that day will be Sunday. So after 5 months, so this is start date, this is after 5 months. If you saw the function eDate, it also mentioned before. How do we do? How do I get, let's say 2 months before? What was the date 2 months before? So how do we get it? So we will do eDate, this is a start date, and I'll say -2, because we have earlier seen that if we give minus, it means before. So enter. Again we have to convert this. Now there is one more trick to convert this to the format like this. This is called as Format Painter. So you select this, click on Format Painter, and it will come like a paint, and you again click, left click. So this has come a Format Painter. So 2 months before today was January 30th 2020. Let's see the next function, which is called as EO month. So what does EO month means? It gives end of month. Okay, so it returns the serial number of the last date of the month before or after specified number of month. Right? Note that in this case, today is not the last date of the month. So August was 30th, okay, which was last date. January was 30th. It was not the last date. However, if we want to know what was the last date of the month 2 months back. So last date of the month 2 months back. Last date of month 2 months back. So we cannot use eDate because it has not given me the last date. So for that you have to use this EO month, and this is our start date, and we'll say -2 because we are interested in 2 months back. Now what we can do is we can convert to the long date and see that it has given me January 30th. It doesn't matter whatever is the today's date. Let's say suppose if I give a date, let's say 3rd March 2020, and I refer this cell. So this was 1st March 2020, and I will still get January 31st. Let's see the next one, which is called as a date value. So date value, it says that converts a date in the form of text to a number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel datetime. Please note that we have mentioned earlier that Microsoft Excel, it stores the value in a number format. So this date value, what it will do is it will convert a text into the number format which gets stored in the Excel. So what I have done is I have given a date 1st January 1999. It's in the text format. We can see it's a text format out here. And what I will do is I will write equal to date value and this text, and we'll see it has given me a value of 36161. Okay. This is the value in which Excel stores the date. If you want to experiment here also, you can do this text. You say I want it in the short date. It will come, and then you say I want in the number. Okay, no, it doesn't come. So you have to convert it in the date value. Okay.